Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can buy items on Amazon. So after logging in to your account, what you can do is pretty much start searching for things that you want to buy. You can use the search engine at the top over here, and then you can type whatever you're looking for, or you can use one of these categories at the top. For instance, you have books, you have music, you have bestsellers, and if there is some sort of event or special occasion, just like right now there is a Black Friday deals, then you can of course use that as well. And then of course you can start searching for anything that you want to buy. Let's say I want to buy these headphones, so let's go over here and you can find different offers. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. And once you are certain that you want to buy them, of course over here you can choose the color. If there are some additional options regarding this item, then of course you can customize it over here. And after that, what you need to do is press add to cart or buy now. Depends if that's the only thing that you want to buy, or if you are in a shopping spree and you want to buy something more. Of course over here you can also select the quantity. So if you click over here above these options, you can select how many of these items you want to buy. And that's pretty much it. Once you go to the cart, once you add to the cart, you'll probably see something like this. If the item has some protections, etc. And if you want to, of course, you can select them, but it is not necessary, and you can just simply press no thanks. After that, you can go to your cart. For instance, over here you can proceed to checkout, or you can click on go to cart, or if you want to, you can just simply go back and then just keep looking for something more. So let's say I'm gonna click on these laptops. Let's say I'm gonna choose this one, and then let's add this one to the cart as well. And of course, on the right side, you'll see your shopping cart. So here you can see what you have selected, and you can customize it even more. If you decide to remove something from the cart, then you can click on the quantity and then select 0 in order to delete the item, or you can click on this trash icon next to the quantity, and then you can remove it over here as well. So you can click over here, go to cart, or if you didn't need to do any changes, you can click on proceed to checkout to go to the final process of purchasing. And now all you need to do is pretty much fill in everything, go through these 3 steps. You need to provide your shipping address, you need to provide your payment method. If you didn't connect your credit card to Amazon or anything else that you want to use in order to pay for your items, then you can do that over there. And finally, items and shipping, so you can finalize your purchase process. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!